For a really interesting backyard that looks like it's been professionally designed, use the highs and lows to your advantage. I'm talking about planting in layers. That's the ground, shrub and canopy layers. Before you plan what's going into the ground, it's critical to know how the plant behaves over time. That young plant that you love in the nursery now, how tall is it going to be in 5 or 10 years? Of course you can prune, but it's much easier from the outset if you put the right plant in the right place. Layering plants of different heights and leaf sizes gives you different textures and patterns to look at, ensuring interest over the whole gardening year. In a small garden, it can also create the illusion of space. Start with the ground level. Ground covers are anything up to about 30 centimetres, and they do multiple jobs. When their coverage is good, they stop weeds from growing, acting as a living mulch. Ground covers also maintain soil moisture at a more constant temperature, encouraging root growth and beneficial soil microbes, overall contributing to a healthier garden. The added bonus of ground covers is they can cover up any leggy, straggly bits of your shrubs at ground level, which can be pretty unsightly. There's a couple of different height variations within your shrub layer. You can either have low shrubs, which are between about 1 to 1.5 metres tall, or your taller shrubs, which are between about 3 and even 5 metres. You can leave them to your own devices, or you can clip shrubs for a more formal or controlled look. You can also do a bit of both and mix it up. Mix up high and low shrubs, but if you only have one garden bed, put larger shrubs at the back so they don't block your view to the smaller shrubs. Finally, your canopy layer, which in nature would be your trees. Obviously, some gardens are too small for a tree of any size. That's where some creative and lateral thinking needs to come into play. Trees like Osbreed's Sublime Lily-Pilly can also be treated like a tall shrub by pruning them hard from the top to the hedge height you're after. Or clean up Sublime's trunk by lifting the crown. Here we've removed the lower branches to about 2 metres to grow lower layered plantings underneath. If you don't have room for a tree, you can also layer using climbers like flat white or flat mat to grow at the back of your garden bed, accentuating the vertical plane with a third, taller element and adding interest above your shrub layer.